Do you want money or have kids? Here is how you can actually have both. Number one, you can have a big career and a family one day. You just need to plan it well. As type A person, career woman, we always plan our career perfectly. When is the next role? When is the next promotion? Or how to move to the next city to get a big success. But planning your future baby should be the same. Take every step of the way, find out more information, and get informed. Your body isn't on pause just because you're busy. Yes, you have a crazy schedule. You don't even know when the next day off is, but your biological clock is ticking every second. It won't stop.